All right, we just got to downtown Davenport. It's about 2.5, nearly 3 hours east of Des Moines. This is their downtown area. So the HESCO barrier that keeps the Mississippi River contained, flooded over its banks. You can see this much water in this area. So there, I don't know exactly what street. This looks like we're on River Drive. So that's the portion of the HESCO barrier that broke, was on River Drive. We're on Harrison and River Drive in downtown Davenport. And on a normal day, you can walk past all the way through. But today, a little different. Sounds like what I hear, generators running to probably pump some of this water out. But this is the scene here so far. So we have an update from Davenport city officials so far. No injuries to report. Evacuations are over right now. They're working on clearing cars, trucks, vehicles, anything left behind. But this all happened so fast. They had a flash flood alert at 4 p.m. and a couple hours later, the whole downtown area is completely flooded. Everyone seems to see no people really at this point. There are emergency crews on scene. There are emergency crews on scene. The Red Cross of Central and Southern Illinois, they have two camps set up, one in Moline, Illinois, and the other one here in Davenport, to help folks that were impacted by this. The downtown area is a lot of businesses, few residential, a lot of businesses in the area, hotels, all evacuated tonight. No injuries to report, but this area is entirely blocked off. Hey Whitney, if you're at work, tell them to share this. But again, folks, we're in downtown Davenport. We just got into town about 10 minutes ago. We're on the corner of Harrison and River Drive. A couple hours ago, the HESCO barrier on River Drive broke. I don't know if it broke. There was a breach. The Mississippi River flooded over its bank. They've had a lot of rain in the forecast the last couple of days. Before the breach, parts of Davenport were having issues with sewage overflow because they've had just so much water so fast. But again, no injuries to report, and light rain continues to fall. Lay of the land really, but it appears that this area is at a bit of a dip. All right, so we're in downtown Davenport on the corner of Harrison and River Drive for anybody just tuning in. The HESCO barrier on River Drive, the Mississippi River, flowed over its banks there, causing emergency evacuations for businesses, hotels, some residentials. No injuries to report at this time. Chris, they sent me and the sports guy to Davenport. We do it for the viewers. Keep everyone up to date. What's happening.